Okay, we're gonna play the game. You're supposed to play the game. Do you remember how the game works? You gotta spin it and lift up the orange flaps. That's how you get the treat. You get the treat. We'll put this on a chair so we'll get the full hilarity.
You missed it? Huh? What's up? Ew!
It's not food, guys.
Here. Sit. Look.
Yeah, hold her back and let's see if I find one. Dee, can you play the game? Can you play the game? Show the puppy how to play the game. Puppy could care less. Yes, there's chicks over there, I know, but... How do you play the game? You lift the flap up and get a treat? Lift one up. Baby, lift one up.
Ouch. She bit me.
Lift the flap up, TD. We just played. You did good. Lift it up. There's treats in every single one of them, so... I know last time we had to search, but this time you're good. You in the background is hilarious.
Do you want this? Do you see this? Take it. It's real simple.
Well, she's scared because now she got yelled at. Because somebody lunged at the puppy, didn't ya? It only works if you're walking them. Puppy, she doesn't want it. Stop punching her. It's awful, isn't it? Awful, guys. Don't bring it back. Just get it, puppy. Okay, puppy, your turn. Where's the treat? Find the treat. Here, spin it. Spin it. Spin it and find the treat. Oh, you spun it. You did it. Good girl, Steve. You got treats. Was that tricky? Oh, it's not gonna grab you, Tia. Libby, the treat's not gonna grab you, Tia. Just pick one. You guys have pushed all the treats probably together at one time. Lift up another flap. There is treats in there, probably. He's like, I don't want to bother you. I'm trying to concentrate. Distracted. Lift another one up. There you go. Is there a treat in that one? There is. Go, Tia. Your turn, Clemmy. You can spin it, too. You spun it. You got your tongue, not your nose. You can't pick teeth. It doesn't work that way. Tongue. Use your tongue. You can't just put your whole mouth in there. It doesn't work. You did it! You got one. Recording for 5 minutes.
Okay, how does this work?
You get another one? Huh? Yes, that's the same flap you opened. You gotta try a different one. Yeah, don't even do it. Don't do it. You're on camera.
Oh, don't do it.
Ah,
Oh my
Tia! Tia, you're so mean. Are you back because it's your turn? Yes, there's chicks over there, I know. There's chicks over there. Oh! Puppy. Nope. Tity's turn. Tity.
Nope.
Are you smarter than the toy?
It's so hard.
Ooh.
Okay.
It's a whole harness there, Brandon. And it only works if you're walking them. Did you get one, Tia?
No, it doesn't. This goes around the nose.
Hey! Stop it! No! Don't show your teeth! So unbecoming. Oh, you guys are fighting over the toy. Tia, you didn't even want to play. Puppy, you didn't play. Right. Tell us about it. Come on, keep telling us.
One, two, three, and...
Nom nom nom. You gotta put it over her nose, Brandon.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let
It's like
go.
an anti-pull harness. I got it.
Ready, 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 ready. Did it work? Is it working?
She doesn't like it. No.
But is it working?
I don't know. I can't tell from the head shaking. Oh, Brandon, that's so sad. Take it off over her face. It's pushed into her eyes. Take it off. And her whole face is pushed together. It doesn't work. Awful. It's awful. It's just terrible. TT, how would you like to be a millionaire? Which one will you get? Ready? Go spin it. Is that your turn, contestant number 2?
Can't open.
Why are you standing like that, Tia? Are you doing this on purpose? You are, aren't you? Because you know the puppy's here. That's so mean. Pick a stinking treat so the puppy can have her turn. Go, it's your turn. It's not a big decision. Oh my gosh. I should have got both of them, the one with the cups and this one. Contestant number 2, control yourself. Quit biting Brandon. Okay, Okay, TT, you have 10 seconds and you're out of the drawing for $1 million. Pick! Into this one? Oopsie!
Can't pick one up.
Poor contestant number 2. Poor Clammy. Okay, Tia. You're out.
What's that?
You're out,
What's
Tia.
that?
Nope, you're out. Come here. I show my butt, sorry.
Oh, I got one.
You're in timeout. Sophie, it's your turn. Oh, you're spinning it. Good job. You find one? This is my documentary about dogs. Did you find one?
Well, I have to go bandage my arm now.
Has it been bitten? Did you find one, puppy? Puppy! Find it! Find one! Hey, find a treat. Yes, Tia's in timeout. TT, you in the kennel? And you can lift up different flaps, not just that one you're on. Okay, I guess it's playtime with TT. And that's all, folks. Bye, TT.